Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Center your stance, draw your bow. The elliptical marquee draws oval and circular selections, and precision is everything. Select it from the toolbar. It is nested beneath the rectangular marquee. Drag to draw an ellipse, but most students make two mistakes. First, they want a perfect circle, not an oval. Hold Shift while dragging to constrain the ellipse to a mathematically perfect circle. Second, they want the selections centered on the subject, not drawn from a corner. Hold Alt while dragging to draw from the center point outward. Hold both Shift and Alt simultaneously for a perfect circle drawn from center. In the options bar, set Feather to 5 pixels before drawing to produce a soft-edged circular selection, ideal for spotlight effects and circular vignettes.